If you are part of 180 Youth, then be sure to connect with our leaders and stay in touch with us online. We have got some cool content going out over the next few weeks, so be sure to stay in touch with us. So don't forget, guys, you can join with us every evening at 7:30 to join in for our evening devotionals, which is a place for you to get prayer, encouragement and inspiration. So join with us every night on Facebook, live at 7:30 each evening, and on weekends, on Saturday nights, you can join us for a bit of a worship session online too. So be sure to check that out on Facebook. So you can now join us online for Kids Stream. This is our online ministry for children. So you can catch us Fridays at 6:30 or Sundays at 10 a.m. live for some fun, some games, some custard pies and lots of competitions. Every Sunday evening at 6 p.m, you can join us on Zoom for a live call to pray for 1 hour. So why not invite a friend along and come and join us so that we can pray together as a church for our nation. Our next level Bible studies are going to continue happening twice a month. So the next one is happening this Saturday. So you can sign up. Even if you have before, please sign up again and you will receive the link and password. And this will stay the same for the next few Bible studies that happen after that. So make sure you sign up for that. We have got an XL game show coming your way called Pick and Mix for the Bank Holiday Monday. So this is going to be full of quizzes, treats and all things sweet. You can think of it as your very own Sugar Rush with Sandeep. So this is going to be happening on Monday the 25th of May on Bank Holiday so that we can give you an evening of fun together. So you can join us at 8 p.m. on Facebook Live. See you there. So our Connect groups are still meeting via Zoom. So if you'd like to be a part of one of these groups, then just drop us a message, let us know and we'll get you connected online. And if you need some technical support and you're not so tech savvy, we've got it covered. So all you'll need is a mobile, a laptop or an iPad and we'll get you set up on there. That's all for XL News. Let's all stay connected in this season, and if you want any more information and need to stay up to date, just make sure you've got us on social media and you can check out our website. Have a great week, guys.